Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
It's so beautiful up here. Oh, look at those stars shining bright and twinkling.
And the sky is full of them. Do you think I can count them?
No, you cannot count them. They are countless. They are so many in number that we cannot count them. Okay, I know they are very high up, but I want to catch them.
Ho, ho, ho! The cat wants to catch the stars. Go, jump, catch them.
No, friends, the stars cannot be counted. They cannot be caught also. They can just be seen so high up in the sky, just shining and twinkling. Let us just love them the way they are. Oh, how I wish. Let's just say good night and go to bed. Remember, we have to wake up early. Good night. Before going to sleep, we will listen to the poem Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are.
When it's a starry night, what time is it? Night time. When it is night time, what do people, animals and birds do?
They all go to sleep.